Listen to them bells. Listen to the sound of the bells, isn't that lovely? The local church bell ringers are practicing today in the village by the sound of it. Nice. Listen to that, eh? There's the veg plot. Raised beds. There's a red admiral butterfly fluttering around. I keep spooking it. I'll go away. There he is. On the wrong side of him, you can't see his lovely colours. Warming himself up in the sun. I can get behind him without casting a shadow. Ah, what a shame. Ah, the bells. The bells. This is the veg plot. I've shown you before, I think. And there's a cabbage white butterfly. Not so keen on them. So hi there in the reflection. Oh look, red admiral's on the table. There was two there then. Oh, they're so sensitive to movement. Can't get near enough to show you them. They're after all this fallen fruit. Fallen plums and apples. Oh, there we go, we're going to be lucky to get this one. I can't get behind him. Oh, please, just stay still, I'm not going to hurt you. Oh. Oh, the bells have stopped. I can't get one. They are so lovely. These red admiral butterflies. Oh, he doesn't want me to come nowhere near him. No. There's about 3 or 4 of them fluttering around and I just can't get... Oh, there's more. I just can't get near any of them. One landed on the rubbish pile. There he is. That's a bit more stealth. I got him. That beautiful. Hey, goodbye. Yeah, they're hanging around this area. The sun's out today. September morning. Autumn's in the air. All the fruits forming and falling. I've got much to do. So I must get on with it, I suppose. These sedums, when they flower, we'll see. When the sun comes out on them, they'll be covered in butterflies and bees too. So I've got lots to do, as I said. All the grass to cut, and all these herbaceous beds to be cut back and sorted out. It's all going past its best now. It's been a pretty dry summer, and some of the plants have just ran out of steam and finished early. I mean, this should be full of Jaspinias anemones, but so many of them over there have just shriveled up in the sun, in the heat and the dryness. Anyway, enough of me wittering on. Oh, doesn't that look splendid with the sunshine? Right, can you get me in the reflection? There we are. Bye, see you around sometime. Ta-da. Have a nice day, have a nice life.